Being denied FMLA leave can be frustrating, especially if you're dealing with a serious medical condition or a family emergency. So what should you do if your employer denies your request for FMLA leave? Let's walk through the steps you can take to respond effectively. First, don't panic. And don't assume the denial is final. Mistakes happen. Sometimes a denial is the result of incomplete paperwork or a misunderstanding of the FMLA requirements. Start by carefully reviewing the reason for the denial. Employers are required to provide a written explanation when they deny FMLA leave, so look closely at what they've said. If the denial was based on missing or incorrect information, check your paperwork. Did you submit the proper forms? Was your medical certification filled out completely by your healthcare provider? Missing or incomplete documentation is one of the most common reasons for an FMLA denial. If that's the case, you may be able to fix the issue by resubmitting the correct documents. Next, verify your eligibility. Remember, to qualify for FMLA, you need to have worked for your employer for at least 12 months, and during that time, you must have logged at least 1,250 hours. Additionally, your employer must have 50 or more employees within a 75-mile radius. If you meet these criteria and your leave request fits one of the qualifying reasons under FMLA, you should be eligible. If you've confirmed your eligibility and submitted all the necessary documentation, but your request is still denied, it's time to start the conversation with your employer. Reach out to your HR department or manager and ask for clarification. Sometimes employers make mistakes or may not fully understand the FMLA guidelines. A respectful conversation can go a long way toward resolving the issue without escalating the situation. If your employer continues to deny your request and you believe they're doing so improperly, you may need to file a complaint. You can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division, which enforces FMLA compliance. They'll investigate your claim and determine whether your employer violated the law. Finally, if the situation isn't resolved through the Department of Labor, or if you're facing retaliation for requesting FMLA leave, it's time to consider legal action. Retaliation can include things like being demoted, losing your job, or facing negative treatment because you tried to take FMLA leave. At Harmon Law, we've helped many employees stand up for their rights under FMLA and hold employers accountable for illegal denials and retaliation. Facing a denied FMLA request can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to navigate it alone. If you're unsure about your next steps or need help fighting an FMLA denial, give us a call or visit our website. Thanks for watching and take care.